balik ang bola. Pagkahuman ni Lusot, ni Pasa, ni Itza. Chris, number 48. Dribbling ball, number 15. Oh, basket number 13. Sasanga Toledo ni ang akong hometown, Toledo. Captain, dribbling ball. Good, ito now. Basto number, foul, my kasama ng foul, counted number, Sami. Foul number 13, counted siya number 7. Foul counted. First throw. Okay. Wala. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Humanap ng kapasahan. Pumasa again.